One sunny afternoon, the kitchen was bathed in golden light, and the air was full of delicious, happy smells. Marie tied her favourite polka dot apron around her waist and giggled as Garvey tried to tug his extra-large blue chef hat over his head. It always slumped down past his eyebrows. "Welcome to our kitchen adventure," Marie called out, little sparks of excitement fizzing in her voice. Garvey bounced on his toes. "Today we're not just cooking, we're learning skills." On the counter, a magically shimmering recipe card waited for them. Its rainbow letters shone, "Kitchen Challenge Day. Learn, help and have fun." Skill 1. Following instructions. Marie read the first recipe aloud, rainbow fruit salad. Step 1. Wash the fruit. Garvey wanted to tip all the berries into a bowl at once, but Marie stopped him with a smile. "Let's do step 1 first, so nothing gets missed." They washed bright apples, squishy bananas, juicy strawberries, and bouncy purple grapes, feeling the cold water splash and the fruit shine. When Garvey started to peel a banana early, Marie pointed to the recipe card. "In order, remember?" Garvey laughed. "Following instructions is helpful." Skill 2. Counting and measuring. Marie dusted flour gently for their fluffy pancakes. 3 scoops of flour, she read. Garvey counted, scooping carefully. 1, 2, 3. Marie poured milk, holding the cup steady. "We only need half a cup. Watch me measure." Garvey leaned close and nodded. Measuring makes recipes turn out just right. They both took turns mixing, their wooden spoon making cheerful circles in the bowl. Skill 3. Teamwork and sharing. When it was time to stir, both hands reached for the spoon in a tangle. Marie paused. "Let's take turns and help each other." Garvey passed the spoon with a big grin. "You first, then me." They stirred until the pancake batter was as fluffy as a cloud. "Cooking together is more fun," they agreed. Skill 4. Responsibility and clean up. As the pancakes sizzled, Marie noticed splatters and floury puffs. "Let's clean as we go," she declared. Garvey wiped up drips and stacked the empty bowls. "Being responsible keeps us safe and makes the kitchen sparkle." Skill 5. Patience and kind words. Garvey peered into the pan and sighed. "I want to eat now." Marie looked kindly at him. "Good things take time, and waiting is a skill too." Garvey rocked on his heels, took a deep breath and waited. "I'll be patient," he promised. At last, the pancakes were ready. The fruit salad was bright and lovely. They sat together at the table, proud. Marie lifted her fork. "We learned so many skills today. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye."